G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, I haven't been doing much lately, it's been too bloody cold. But anyway, I'm making up a nozzle for my old shop vacuum cleaner. I've got a whole container of nozzles somewhere, but you know, do you think I can find them? I mean, I've looked high and low, they're there somewhere. But anyway, so I got a bit of stainless steel tubing. And I started cutting it with a bandsaw, by hand on the metal bandsaw, and it kept popping the blade off. It gets so far, it's really thin, this stuff. It's too thin, you know, and the bandsaw just would catch and, you know, pop the blade because the metal thickness is too narrow for the tooth count. And so anyway, I'll do it another way. I'll use the Hilda, well, the Hilda replacement. With the friction disc, I'll show you how easy that gets through jobs like this, which can be a bit of a bastard on the bandsaw. Okay, let's do it. Right, well, it's pretty thin. I can't hold it with the vise, so I'll knock it onto the hose for the vac, and then we'll go from there. I'll give the old dead blow hammer a go. Oh yeah, it's working well. Great. Yeah. Okay, so now we can hold it properly. Piece of cake. Now the mighty. Whoop, I reckon the place here. Oh, the mighty friction disc unit. Good. I got the goggles on, the earmuffs. Good to go. Right, now we'll just square it up on the bench grinder. It's a bit rough and ready, but yeah, should do the job. So here's my fabulous shop vac, which was salvaged off the side of the road, like a lot of things I've got in my workshop. I've had it so long, the original one burned out, and I've got the body of another one. It's an old Sanyo, Works fantastic. It's got a cloth bag in it, so you don't have to buy paper bags or anything. You can suck up all the crap in the world, as long as it's not wet, of course. It's only a dry vac, but nice and compact. It's good. Yeah, how's that grab you? So now I've got a new snozzle, and yeah, she's a beast. So there you go. You can always make do. There's no such thing as junk, and that being stainless steel, that'll last a lot longer than the plastic ones do. If I could find the plastic ones, I've got them, but where the hell they are? All right, that's it for me. Quick and dirty. See you next time. Cheers.